Hi, if you have IDXBroker and you use Matterport, you have an advantage that others don't. Let me show you. With the featured listings, your IDXBroker allows you to go in and customize your featured listings from their dashboard and allows you to do something like this, where you can embed the Matterport scan right here, and then what happens is that when someone goes to your website and they're searching for a property using the search, right, they can, let me show you the search here, that when you pick, like let's say you're searching for, your clients are searching for a property that matches the property that you sell, what happens is that IDXBroker pulls the data and all your customizations from inside your dashboard. So that means, like, other companies like Showcase IDX and iHomeFinder and all that, when they're searching from here, they're pulling the data straight from the MLS, not from the augmented featured listing section inside your dashboard. So this gives your clients the ability to look better to prospective clients that are coming to your website. The other thing is that you want to make sure that for Matterport that you put it into your MLS as the virtual tour link, because there's the more people see that, the more that they will be attracted to your property and share it with friends and family. So your listings will get more activity. The other thing that you want to make sure you get is from the Matterport provider is the videos, which is the long intro, the short intro, and the animated GIF, right? And this is so that you can put it on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, because they're short enough that they'll autoplay. So when you're making a Facebook post, you'll upload the intro or the short video into the post as the primary image and then link it to your property. Okay, so on a couple things, you can also get a panel, right? So let's just download this, save, and then let's get we've got the animated GIF here. Oh, yeah, here's the GIF here, right? So you can use that, and you can use on Twitter or Instagram, stuff like that. And this is a short, this is the long, but we're gonna do the short because it looks good. Let's try that. Okay, so we're gonna save all that. Now I'm just gonna show you some examples of what you can do. So okay, so let's say you had a listing for sale, right? You would go to your website. I'm not making real stuff just because I don't want to mess anything up. I'm gonna put it in and then I'm gonna take it off. So let's go to a property, right? We go here, view listing. Okay, and the client has taken out the scan. Don't know why, but so now we're just gonna do it like this. There's the floor plan, right? So you can take this floor plan. There's a whole bunch of type of posting that you can do on Facebook with it. You can split it up to where there's like for on the thing here, you can make it to where you have a video up top and then photos below, or a video on the side and 3 photos on the side. There's all these things that you can do with it, but for now we're just going to do a simple posting just to show you. Okay, so yeah, so let's go to post, right? So now we're going to put in just the one, right? So downloads, go here. Okay, so this is the short, right? So we put that in, and then up top we would put in the address. So just put address, right? And then here's the, well, let's go back to the main thing. And then if you have a Matterport provider that gives you a listing website, then you would use the listing website, URL. So you take this and you put this up top, and then you do this. You put in a whole bunch of things. Now, the other thing too, you definitely want to add messenger button, right? And then here, these are tags that you can custom make. So West Palm Beach condos for sale. You could do that. You should put in your name. You should put in, other like the development. Coral Springs or Coral Reef condos for sale. If it's Coral Reef as a development there, stuff like that, right? And then here, you put in everything. All like your description and like description here. Then listing URL, which would be this, right? So now we do this and we hit publish. Oh, and you also, here's how you can, there's some other choices here if you want to backdate it, schedule it ahead, stuff like that, and if you're using this a lot, then like if you're using Matterport a lot, you should have like try to get at least like 12 to 26, because then every other week you can post even the same stuff and show the marketing and things like that, right? Because you want your sellers to see that you're doing this kind of marketing. It's a combination of this type of post, and then I'll show you another one in a minute. Okay, so the next type of post is where you take and upload the photo, this photo here, and can't make the open house. Try this. Okay, so now we hit publish. And so here's the one, right? So here's the one that I just did. So, oops, sorry. Here's the one I just did that auto plays. So it gets people as they're looking at their streams, they're like, wow, okay, I want to, what is this? And then they'll click on this and then get to the scan. If you have a listing website, which the Matterport providers can provide to you, you get a really nice display like this one here, where it goes through and shows you, put video, the map, and the photos, and then the contact information. Really nice listing website. So the Matterport providers can provide that, as well as a host of other things. They've got other types of marketing, so you want to make sure that and this is where you incorporate everything, your IDXBroker, your Facebook, so that way. And here's the other one, is this one. This is the other style of, and this comes with your Matterport. This is basically you should be asking this. It's just recently changed, so you want to ask your Matterport provider for the short and long intro, the animated GIF, which and then this one, which is the panorama. So you get to play with it, right? So you get a feel for it. And if you have a steady stream of like each week you're showing something like this, and then you're showing something like this, and then you show like an aerial video and stuff like that. You just get a good. You're showing off your ability to market, and that's what's going to have you looking better to your sellers than everywhere else. Okay, than anyone else. Sorry. So that's it. That's how you use this kind of marketing. If you have any other questions, just contact your Matterport provider, and we'll answer your questions. Have a good one.